Hi everybody and welcome back to another Napostem Academy science video. Most of you are probably familiar with slime. Well, today our experiment is stretchable, moldable, and also edible. We'll talk about consistency, what edible means, and the history of slime, both edible and not. Let's roll up our sleeves and get right into it. Anything someone can safely eat is considered edible. You can't eat regular slime, but the slime we're making today is edible. DIY is an acronym that stands for Do It Yourself. It's a method of creating or doing something without the direct help of an expert or professional. Consistency is the thickness, firmness, stiffness, or density of something. Our slime will need to have a good consistency before we can play with it and eat it. Slime was invented by Mattel Toys in 1976. While creating slime, the toy company wanted the oozing substance to be as gross as possible. Thus, slime was first created as a light green material which you could find in a little green trash can. The trash can toy was sealed with a lid to keep the slime fresh and ready for use. While there are plenty of DIY slime recipes, Jell-O is the first national food brand to create edible slime. Whether you are a little kid or a big kid at heart, edible slime combines the fun of our favorite squishy jiggly toy and the curious satisfaction of being able to eat it as well. I think we're ready to start creating our stretchy, tasty snack. The materials you'll need for this one are a mixing bowl, snack pack chocolate or vanilla pudding, cornstarch, a tablespoon, and a mixing spoon. Begin by opening your snack pack chocolate or vanilla pudding cups and put them into your mixing bowl. Then measure out 1 tablespoon of cornstarch at a time and mix into the pudding using your mixing spoon. Continue adding cornstarch while mixing in between until your pudding mix starts to look and feel like slime. Once the consistency becomes smoother and thicker, light brown, grab the slime with your hands, pinch a small amount of cornstarch at a time, and work it into the mixture until it's no longer sticky. Now you're ready to have fun with your edible slime. It really is fun to create in the kitchen. What are your favorite foods to eat? Can you make them yourself? Maybe you could learn, right? There are many amazing foods to discover in the world, and learning how to make them yourself can be so much fun and very satisfying. We hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe and experimenting with a wacky snack. For accommodations and an extension activity, feel free to check out our lesson plan for today's video. We'll see you next week with another science video.